or if it's your birthday. This was sent to us by our morning editor, David. James Matheson turns 25 today. James has a degree in graphic design. Hi, James. And Chris Jericho turns 41 today. He's a professional wrestler and won 30 WWE championships. He is also a radio host and an actor. Surprise, surprise, aren't they all?
I have actually hung out with Chris Jericho. Really cool guy.
Yeah.
Wanted to grow up to be an NHL hockey player and kind of fell into wrestling instead.
Gotcha.
He's pretty cool.
I care more about this next one. It's Nick Lachey. He turns 38 today. Nick rose to fame as a member of the boy band 98 Degrees.
Oh, 98 degrees.
That was awesome.
That was hilarious.
He was also married to Jessica Simpson.
Of course he was.
Now
And he was on
Newlyweds.
a
Sure,
reality show, which probably was not reality. Let's be honest, she was playing a character. Nobody's that dumb.
So?
Chicken of the sea. Is that really chicken?
So what? Who cares? Anyway, send your birthdays to us via Facebook, Unews, or email. Upload a picture. Let us know who's having a birthday, when, and where they're from.